Okay, so I've got a bunch of colors left over from the last pour I just did. So I just decided to why not do a little swipe here and just kind of go nuts with it and see what happens. So the other video I think was called 15 colors, acrylic pour 15 colors or something like that. It's going to have the description of all the colors I used, so you can go back to that video. I'm not going to rewrite it in this video. But let's get started here. So I'm going to, since they've been sitting here a little bit, I'm going to, before I pour them, give each one a little stir. But usually I've done, you know, do a certain pattern or order, but I've seen people just go crazy and pour it, and we're going to try that, swipe it, and see how it ends up coming out. This color right here, I think this is metallic aquamarine or something like that. This one is just beautiful. Love that color. And while that's doing that, I'm going to try to see if I can set them up to sort of spill into each other here. Okay. Wipe off the sticks. Save the sticks. Like that green. Very nice, very nice. Let's get rid of this blue. This is a nice blue too. I think this is a navy blue or something, maybe. I'm gonna go ahead and just do the perimeter with this one. Why? I don't know. It's just one more do. Okay, get that one to fall into that one. Wipe it off. We have rags that we reuse, but I can't find the bag, so I'm using paper towels. I try not to use paper towels because obviously that's just a waste. But every once in a while we do. This color right here was really thick. I should have added a little more water to it. Okay. Oh yeah. This is going to be an interesting pour, isn't it? Yeah, look at this pink. This pink right here, I think it's Artist Loft Basic Pink, I think it is. Acrylic, but man, that is some bright pink right there. I don't know why I showed it to you, like you're not gonna be able to see it right now when I pour it on there. You know, I gotta get these edges a little more. Make sure they're really covered. This nice, oh yeah, this like metallic bronze or something like that, I think it is. This one's beautiful too. It's just such a mess. Let's just leave it just like this, huh? No, that wouldn't look too good. And then we've even got some glitter paint that we're putting in here. God, I don't know if I want to keep going. This is probably more than enough to swipe with, so. But you know what, why not? Let's use all the colors I had from the other one. Might as well. I'm just trying to fill up anywhere I see little canvas. I'm trying to get the colors onto to melt into there. Okay. How many more? How many more I got? I think I got three more plus the blacks, 4 more. Oops. All right, fine. That's how that one's staying. More glitter. A little more glitter. Alright. And oh, did I do? Oh, was that one glitter? No, I think this one's the glitter, yeah. I got it mixed up. Okay. And did I just do this one? Yeah, I did, okay. Well, those, oh, let me get a little black in there too. Just running out of this one. Ooh, that didn't sound good, did it? Alright, oh, just splattered back on me, that's awesome. Alrighty. Oops. There. Okay. Oh my gosh. Shower time in the USA. Alright, so I think we are good. I think we are ready to drag. Maybe I'll let it sit there for a minute and do its thing. All these have that coconut milk stuff in them. Yeah, that's not really focusing very well, but the description's in the other video. All right. Well, it looks like I've got. You know, I wonder what would happen if I drug it. I'm gonna try something here, you guys. I'm gonna try a little experiment. Let me take the towel I've already used here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try something different. Let's see what happens here. Where's my water? Take the paper towel and spray it a little bit with some distilled water. Helps it catch the paint and drag a little better. Alright, so I'm going to try to drag all 4 ways and see what happens. I'm gonna go half and half on each one, so. You know what? I don't like the different patterns, so I'm going to give it one final. Which way am I going to go? I think I'm going to give it one final swipe this way. Yeah. And let's see what happens. And those cells start developing. Wow, those are developing. I'll go ahead and get the sides all covered here. I'm gonna hit it with fire here in just a second. Guns N' Roses, anybody? Guns N' Roses? Dead Horse? Use Your Illusion? Anybody? Alright. This is looking cool. What's cool on the sides? It's just a big old artistic mess. I don't like it. I don't like it a whole lot. See, I don't know if there's enough paint to tip it, but I'm gonna try to. Oh yeah, there is. Just trying to break those cells up a little bit. Try to widen them up a little. Oh yeah, look at that when I turn it over. Look at that part by my thumb, that looks cool. So let's go ahead and dump it all off. No, I'm just kidding. No, that looks really cool, I like that. Yeah. There we go, that looks better. I'm really liking that. Canvas or is that no? It's okay. Yeah, that's coming out pretty cool. Let's hit it with some gas and see what. Let's hit it with some gas and see what happens. Let me go to Taco Bell real quick. I'll be right back. Just kidding. All right. I mean, the cells are looking pretty cool. I don't even know if I really could even do that, but. Why not, right? Why not? No, I think we're good. I really like this top part. I'm gonna try to make this come down a little bit more because I really like the way that looks up there. So let's see if I can get a little more to drag down here. Yeah, that heat kind of helped it set up a little bit there. I think we're still okay. Where's my other cup? Oh, it's stuck to it. I was like, where'd my other cup go? It was stuck to it. Yeah, look at that. Oh man, I like this one a lot. Let me get you guys a close up here on the camera. Hold on a second. Dry my hands off. This camera is slowly becoming an art piece in itself with all the paint it's slowly getting on it. But you know what? Before I do that, I can see, let me get this going back just a little bit because I think the paint's too thin up there. It's thicker down here and I saw a little bit of bubblage going up there, so I think that's better. Not much of a difference, but I think that helps a little bit. Great, now I gotta wipe my hands off again. It's always smart to wipe your hands off and then touch the paint again. But you know what I've noticed? I've watched a lot of videos and a lot of people that do this. It's something that we artists seem to all have in common. You know, I'm a musician. I'm like John Lennon. He said, give me anything, I'll make music out of it. I'm the same way. Give me anything, I'll make art out of it, I'll make music out of it. But one thing I've noticed about us artists out there in this world is we are all very indecisive. There's very few artists that I see on YouTube and stuff that just are like, boom, bang, bam, this is what I'm doing. It's always like, well, should I do this, should I do that? Oh wait, no, I'm gonna change that. You know, we're just, that's how we are. My battery's getting low, so let me film quick here. See, my battery's low on thing. But look at that, you guys, look at that. Isn't that cool? I'm loving that, man. Look at all those colors in there. Yeah, this one is just looking really cool. I'm really, really liking this one. Yeah. See, I like that little, like, almost sun-looking thing up there at the top. I was trying to get that to come down more, but paint was starting to kind of get a little too thin. But man, this is like you stepped into a wormhole in another galaxy. Right? Isn't that exactly what you were all thinking? Looks like a wormhole in another galaxy? I know you were. I knew you were all thinking that. Alright, well hey, hope you like it. Subscribe, water feed, sunlight, all that good stuff. We will see you on the next one. Love you guys.